Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is an iPhone 17e. So first thing is, let's make sure that these are in the pairing mode. So let's take the earbuds out of the case and look where the LED lights are. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 okay? So wait a few seconds and just wait to see if it's blinking blue. I get like a solid blue light that mine turns off. So for myself, I need to manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you do that is you can just use the left or the right one. It doesn't matter. You can put these in your ear if you wish, or you can just hold it like this. And what we want to do is touch that tap sensor. We want to tap and then tap and hold and wait till it starts blinking blue. Okay, once it starts blinking blue, both of them should be blinking blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Now just hold it until it starts blinking blue. Wait. Okay, I don't think it worked. I need to do it again. Okay, ready? Tap, tap and hold. Now just hold. Trying to look for that LED. There we go. It's blinking blue now. Now it's in pairing mode. Now, while it's in pairing mode, go to your iPhone. We're going to go to settings, go to your Bluetooth settings. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And now under other devices, that little spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode. It did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2 right here. Let's tap on that. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.